G'day everyone, Purple Aussie here. I hope you're all well in whatever part of the world you're watching this video. This is another urgent earthquake update for Australians, especially on the east coast of Australia, and for that matter New Zealand, the west coast of New Zealand. I'll run it through with you quickly. Been a whopper here, 6.3, just in the last hour. There's been another couple here in Java. There's been another huge one in Vanuatu, which was a 5.3. These are all within the last hour, folks. As I said before, they're getting stronger and they're getting bigger and they're becoming more frequent. Oh, I'm sorry, there was another big one up in Japan, which was 6.1. So, this is all just basically today, folks. 21st. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the interesting thing is, if you go to the American website, this area here, as I was saying, had a 6.4, and an hour later it had a 5.1. But no tsunami alert for Australia. These, I haven't received anything because I'm on the west coast of Australia. So I'm not sure if there's been anything. The one in Vanuatu was another 5.3. So they are getting quite big, these earthquakes, and they're becoming more regular and as obviously bigger. Now, I've always said, in my opinion, that the crushing and movement, the crushing is north, the movement is west, in my opinion. Now I'm going to show you something that backs it up a little bit. Here's one I did earlier. let's hope, alright? That's the one in Vanuatu, that's the one in Bowen the other day in Queensland, that's the one today, and that's the one today. Tell me I'm not going crazy. And I did the same thing on the US one. Exactly the same. That's using just old-fashioned paint, and it was exactly a straight line. Exactly a straight line, and exactly a straight line down there. You know, I'll agree that that's not exactly dead straight line. It misses by a few degrees, but it's almost dead straight. So tell me my mind's not going crazy. There's the Australian one. Exactly the same. Bring it up a bit further. That's better. Look, you can even see it. Oh, I messed it up on the top there, which probably means that that's a little bit straighter than that actually. But as you can see, it is a clear straight line. Oh, I went a bit wobbly that one, I must admit. But as you can see, it's a clear straight line. It doesn't deviate. Bang, bang. Couldn't have got it any straighter if you tried. You know, Bowen wasn't today, Bowen was 2 days ago, Friday. Thursday or Friday, sorry. But that one there was today, that one was today, and that one was today. I just did that as a joke. In actual fact, if I actually went like that, that would just about be a complete triangle, wouldn't it? Well, there you go, folks. I did it. And if that's not the scary scariest thing you've seen in a long time. I don't know what is. Bloody hell, that's unreal, isn't it? Look at that. Yeah, it's almost almost the perfect 90-degree angle. Look, bloody hell, that's amazing. Maybe if someone can send it to somebody who knows a bit more about what they're talking about than me, that might be helpful. Okay, just thought that'd show you something different. While I've got you all, I never did this the other day with wizardurad.com, accept drift. You know, as per usual, these guys are doing an outstanding job for the community in telling everyone where we are. This was yesterday's measurement, and there's last year's, year before, and the year before that. We've actually gone out, and now we're coming back in. So what the hell does that mean for us? It's all there. Go and have a good look at it. Give it a good look. Okay, folks. It was only a short message, just an update to get everyone to keep thinking about these things. This is actually getting urgent now. It is going to go off somewhere, and lots of people are going to perish, unfortunately. So let's all keep our eyes to the skies and our ears to the ground and our hearts to God. The Lord's Prayer, let's say it because I think it's needed at the moment. Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done in earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. As usual. For thine is the kingdom and the power and the glory forever and ever. Amen. Guys, this is just a heads up. Just be safe. God bless. Prep out. I'll leave you with this image. That is scary. God bless you all.